What is up guys and welcome dito sa ating section 2.3 ng ating lesson, no. So dito sa lesson na to, i-develop natin yung ating second floor sanitary and then vent system, no. So para magawa 'yon, let's go ahead and open our file which is etong ating S2 2.3, no, second floor sanitary system. And then make sure natin na all supported files and then wala tayong work sharing, and then also hit natin yung ating open after natin mag-click. And then after nito mag-loading, dadalhin nito tayo sa ating second floor sanitary system. Okay? So remember our last lesson, nakapag-develop tayo ng ating sanitary system and then also yung ating vertical waste and then vent system natin, no. Yan, titignan natin and then tignan natin sa 3D view, no. So ito yung ginawa natin last lesson, no. So i-continue natin to and then i-connect natin yung mga fixtures natin, no, dito sa ating vent and then sanitary horizontal natin, no. Yan, sa second floor, no. So let's go ahead and go to go to second floor. Yan, let's close our ground floor and then 3D view, no. And then let's inspect first, no. So kung makikita natin in our 3D view, tignan muna natin that we have our fixtures, no. But since nakapaglagay tayo ng tinatawag natin mga plumbing connectors, no, dito na tayo magko-connect, no. So this plumbing connectors is very useful when it comes to natawag nating connection, no, pag-connect ng mga pipings natin. Okay, and then also kung makikita natin, meron na rin itong mga GPM values, flow pressure, no. Ito, meron na tayong water fixtures unit, no, hot water fixtures unit, and then cold water fixtures unit that we can set, no, to actually provide some of the detailed information for our pipe, no. So before that, no, let's make sure na nasa ground floor tayo and then let's inspect right here. So itong section na to, we can delete this section. Okay? Ayan. And then I think, no, dito tayo mag-uumpisa, no. So to do this, ito i-connect natin siya papunta dito. Gagawa tayo ng main riser natin dito. Okay? Ay ng main horizontal branch natin dito. And then dito, i-connect natin yung mga pipings natin papunta dito, no, as I can see, no. So let's go ahead and make some section first muna dito. Okay? So and then i-align natin to. And then move natin konti yung ating section and then i-align natin by typing AL, or you can just go to modify tab and then click the align, no. Yan, align button on the modify tab and then click natin yung center ng ating pipe ng 4R sanitary waste system. And then click natin yung ating section. As we can see, no, nag-align sila doon sa gitna. So in-align natin yan para makita natin ng mas maganda yung ating pipe, no. So ito, i-align lang natin hanggang dito na hindi natin makover yung ating vent system. Kasi, no, kapag ka-kinover natin yan, may tendency na kapag pumunta tayo sa section and then click natin yung find, no, kapag nag-type tayo ng PI, no, may tendency po na makonect natin. Ayan, kung makikita natin dito, no. Ayan, mako-connect natin kung mag-hover tayo dito and then pansinin niyo dito sa gilid, no. Ayan, kung nag-hover tayo, makikita natin na pipe PVC vent, no, 100 mm. Yun yung nearest pipe niya. But, no, if we adjust our scope, no, sa ating section box, yan, click natin, then click natin PI, no. Remember, no, di na natin ma-hover yung ating vent system kasi yan lang yung kinover natin. Okay? So in this case, no, dito tayo gagawa. Click natin to dito and then make sure na yung slope natin is 2%, no? And then our pipe is 100 mm. So click tayo dito and then make sure na nasa ilalim tayo ng second floor. Ayan, elevation natin. And then dito natin siya gagawan ng ating pipe. Okay, no. So to do that, madali lang po yan. Ang gagawin lang natin is hover tayo dito. Click natin yung pipe, no. Click natin yung create similar under modify pipes, no. Ito, yung create similar natin. Or we can just type in CS on our keyboard. And then dito, no, draft tayo dito. And then we're gonna make sure that our slope is on up, no, slope up. and then slope value natin is on 2%. Okay? And then dito, no? Click tayo dito and then hover tayo until dito sa gilid, and then we're gonna make sure that we are running on about, let's say, no, 45 degree. I think 45 degree. Or cancel muna natin, no? Yeah. So, eto, make sure lang natin that we are on above ceiling. Yeah. And then dito, no, click natin yung pipe, CS again, and then click tayo dito, 45 degree. Yan. And then delete natin yung excess pipe, no? Eto, zoom in tayo dito, right click natin, and then component, no? And then view natin yung ginawa natin. So on our 3D view, this will be our clean out for that specific horizontal branch. Okay? So, ang next step naman natin, no, after natin mo-connect yung ating ano dito, what we're going to do next is to set up our branch, no. Ito, i-connect na natin to from our horizontal, no. Ito mga accessories natin, ito mga pipe, ay yung mga plumbing connectors natin na to. So to do that, click lang tayo dito, click tayo ng CS, and then inherit size, inherit elevation, slope is 2%, no. And then draft tayo dito, rough around 45 degree, okay. And then click natin dito, yan. And then delete natin to, and then ito, palitan natin to ng WYE 45 degree reducing standard. Okay? And then right click ulit natin. Then draw pipe tayo. Rough around 45 degree. Yan. And then we're gonna make sure, no, na ma-align siya dito sa gitna nito. Okay? And after nyan, no, hover lang natin, no, right, like this one, no. Yan. Until makita natin that they are aligned, no. Ayan. So, ang ginagawa natin is hover ako, di ba, pag ganon. Ayan, pababa. And then, i-adjust ko siya konti para may align niya siya dito, like this one, no. Hover ako dito, and then, angat ko konti yung cursor ko ng ganito. Makikita ko, nag-align. Meron tayong dash line that pointing out towards our sanitary connector. Okay? And then, click. And then right click dito, and then click natin sa ating sanitary connector, no. So we can note, as we notice, no, that we have a 80 mm, no, para sa ating tinatawag nating water closet, no. So ang gagawin natin is click natin tong fittings na to, which is exactly at 80 mm, and then hover tayo dito, yan, and then hit natin yung tab, okay, until makita natin nag-highlight, no. We can just click the entire pipe, no. And then palitan natin ng diameter of 80 mm. Okay? And then ito, pwede na natin tong i-adjust just like pag ganito. Okay? Yan. Okay? So after natin i-adjust, no, gagawa pa tayo ng isa pang connector, which is papunta dito, and then papunta dito sa ating shower, and then also papunta dito sa ating ano. Okay? So click natin yung pipe nito. Click natin yung CS, okay, and then dito, inherit size, inherit elevation, slope up is 2%, and then 100 mm. Okay, then click natin, rough around right here, and then what about 45 degree, no, then about just like this one, no, and then click natin to, palitan natin ng WYE 45 degree reducing. And then dito, click natin CS, inherit size again, inherit elevation, and click natin dito, no, ayan. So, we can adjust this pipe, no, just like this one, and then palitan natin siya ng 2 mm. So, click natin to, hover tayo dito, hit tab, and then palitan natin siya ng, I think, no, this is 80 mm also. Okay? So, yes, 80 mm, no. So, align natin siya dito. Okay? Sa center neto, dito, and then connect natin sila, no. So if ever, no, hindi natin sila ma-connect, what we can do is to right click right here and then align natin. Zoom in lang tayo. Yan, and then make sure na center yung ating plumbing fixture, and then hover natin and then up to right here. Okay? So magko-connect na po yan sila. Okay? So our next is this one, no. So, click tayo dito. CS natin to. And then, inherit size, inherit elevation, and then right here, 2%. And then, click natin dito. And then, connect natin dito. Okay? And then we're gonna make sure that we change this on to WYE 45 degree reducing. Okay? And then ito, no? Click natin yung ating pipe na buo, no? Sorry. Ito dito hanggang dito. I-tab natin. And then from 80 mm, no? I think this one is 50 out. Yan. So click natin tong 5 fittings na to and then ito. And then palitan natin ng 50 mm. Okay? So our next step is the tinatawag nating sanitary or yung ating lavatory, no? So to do that, click lang natin to, CS, and then inherit size, inherit elevation, slope up about 2%. And then we're gonna make sure that we are running on 45 degree right here. And then eto, palitan natin ng WYE 45 degree reducing. And then I think no, this connector is on 50 mm. So click natin to. 50 mm. We can also inspect that by clicking our connector and then zooming in. No? Makikita natin that we have our 50 mm dito. So, no, since alam na natin connector, no, we can click and then right here, no. Sorry. I think this one, no. And then draw pipe tayo and then click natin dito para ma-connect natin sila. Okay? So, eto, no, ang gagawin natin dito, kasi gagawa tayo ng vent system natin dito, since connected na sila lahat, no, we can align this first right here. Okay? So, after natin may align yung section, no, open ulit natin yung ating section 1, makita natin that this is our, tinatawag nating sink lavatory. But as we can see, no, yung elevation from level natin is a bit weird, no, I think hindi natin na-set up yung elevation from level natin. So, I think this elevation is rough around 330 para dito. Enter natin dito and 330. Okay? Okay? Yan. And then, our connector says that, makita natin, no? We have a sanitary connector, 500 mm, no? So, I think, edit type natin to. And then dito, sanitary connection height is on 500 mm. Okay, sorry, 500. And then our default elevation is on 250. And then dito sa sanitary connection height natin is on 500. And I think sanitary. Sorry, cancel muna natin. Yan, parang may mali tayong inedit. So 330 to. Duplicate natin siya. Yan, edit type. And then, duplicate natin. Gawin natin 203 to. Sanitary sink, 203. Apply. And then, make sure na ang ating sanitary connection height is at 500. Okay. And then, 550 naman dito sa ano. Yan. 75, 75, 100. And then, dito sa sink drain offset is 207. Okay. And then, of course, yung elevation natin is on at 250. Yan. And then, WFU 2.5, 2.5, 4. Apply natin. Then, click natin. Okay. Yan. So, I think, no, okay na yung ating sink, no? So, let me, ano muna saglit. Yan. Check. If okay na yung ating sink and then drain. Yeah. Yeah. So I think no, ito na yung ating sink. No? So okay na siya dyan and then align na siya. So dito, click natin yung ating pipe fittings na to, yung elbow, and then click natin plus to make just a connection for our tinatawag nating vent system. No? Yan. So ang vent system natin is dadaan natin sa ceiling papunta dito. And then connect natin siya sa ating horizontal branch, no? So to do that, ang gagawin natin is punta lang tayo dito sa ating ano. Yan. And then eto padaanin muna natin siya diyan sa taas. So balik tayo sa section. Click tayo ng PI for our pipe and then make sure na ang gagamitin natin is PVC vent, no? And then our system type is on vent system. Click natin apply, click natin dito, and then padaanan natin siya dyan sa taas, slope 0, and then dito. Okay? So after natin may daan sa taas, no, we're gonna go to our second floor again to make sure na makita natin yung ating vent system, no. Yan. So dito, adjust natin yung ating piping. Right click natin dito, draw pipe, no. Wala naman pong specific tinatawag nating ano. So just like this one lang. Yan. So ito, na-connect na natin siya sa ating piping, no. So we're gonna view that onto our section, no. Adjust natin tong section natin na to dito. Yan. Yan. And then click natin, no. As we can see, no, that this will be our vent, no. Kinonect na natin siya sa ating vertical vent stack. Okay? So after naman nito, no, ang next naman na gagawin natin is yung connection naman, no, para dito sa ating water closet, no. So to do that, align lang natin yung ating water closet dito, ay yung ating section sa ating water closet, no, and then double click natin yung section, na ito yung ating water closet, no. So either way, no, we can just CS dito, and then I think, no, dito about 50 mm, yes, yan. And then slope 0, I think okay naman, or kung hindi, no, what we can do is to adjust muna yung piping natin, no, pinabababa, yan. So click natin yung pipe again, or click tayo ng PI, yan, and then make sure na our system is on vent, and then our pipe types is on PVC vent. Yan. So click natin to about 50 mm, sorry, 50, yan. So click tayo dito, and then adjust natin yung ating piping. Yan. Nasa pinakasagad po, yan. And then ito, adjust natin paangat, no. So hanggang sa masatisfy lang natin yung constraint. Yan. So cancel na natin to. And then ito, okay na yung ating piping, no. So we can just go ahead and then drag, no, and then pakyatin natin dito, papunta dito. So right click, right click natin tong end, draw pipe, no, papunta tayo dito, and then pakyat tayo dito, and then connect natin siya dito. Ayan. So I think, no, okay na yung ating vent. We can view that onto our 3D, and then we can adjust our section box, no. Ayan. Tingnan lang natin. Think, no. Yan. So ito po yung ating vent system. Yan. So I think, no, may error lang tayo dito. I think ito, we need to fix this one, no. Disconnect na lang muna natin sila, and then we can just go ahead and fix that, no. So let's go and then delete muna natin to, and then go tayo sa ating second floor, no. Ito yung ating pipe, no. What we can do is to actually we can rotate this. Yeah, we can rotate it na muna. Right click natin dito, and then I think, no, dito muna tayo, labas muna natin, then draw pipe, and then click natin dito, dadaan natin siya dito, daan natin dito. Okay, so eto, no, as we can see that we have a wall right here, no. So adjust natin to ng sagad lang sa wall natin, and then ito, i-align natin siya dito sa gitna ng ating pipe dito, no? Just like that one. Okay, so after that, no, ito, we can align this one right here to here. Okay, para may drag natin, and then connect natin sila dyan. As you can see, no, if we go back to our 3D view, no, mas okay yung ating vent. Okay, nagdaan natin siya ng mas maayos. But as you can see, no, that we have a beam right here. So ito lang yung magiging problema natin dito sa mga beams, no. So either way, no, we can go ahead and fix that by going like idaan na lang din natin siya sa ceiling, and then papunta siya dito. So since naka-identify natin yung issue, no, so we can delete this one, click our pipe, no, and then click muna natin tong elbow dito, and then click natin dito, and then we can tab, no, and then click para ma-select yung buong pipe system natin na to, and then delete. And then eto, click lang natin yung minus. Yan. So eto, balik tayo sa second floor, no, we can adjust and then go back right here, and then adjust natin siya dito. Yan. And then go tayo sa ating section. Yan. So dito sa section, right click natin, draw pipe, no? Taakyat natin siya dito. And then i-align natin siya dito. And then dito, no? I think, no, okay yung ganyan. And then balik tayo sa second floor, no? That this will be our piping system, no? Either way, we can connect it right here. But ang gagawin na lang natin is click natin tong plus dito. Yan. And then I think, no, i-align natin siya dito. Yan, just like this one, no. And then right click, draw pipe, and then pupunta tayo dito. Yan. So if ever, no, if ever na hindi sila mag-align, gagawin na lang natin is Ctrl Z muna natin, no. I think we can just go ahead and draw a 45 degree, and then right here, no, and then right here. So yan po yung ating piping. Okay? So I think okay na yung ating ano, and then we can just view that on our 3D view. That is our vent systems for our water closet, and then also for our tawag nating lavatory. Okay? So next thing naman is gawan natin to ng P-trap, no. So I think, no, pwede natin siya lagyan ng P-trap. We can just go ahead and click this one, no, and then go to our 3D view, and then, no, eto dito, click natin tong elbow na to, and then palitan natin siya ng P-trap. Okay? So if ever, no, if ever na changing the family MEP might cause unexpected result, cancel natin, no. Yan. If ever na ganun po yung error, no, ang isa lang gagawin natin. So, click natin yung pipe na to, or maybe we can go ahead and go to modify tab, and then nandito yung ating split element, and then split natin siya dito. Okay? And then delete natin tong tinatawag natin ano na to. And then ito, palitan natin to ng P-trap. Yan. So, if ever na ma-change natin yung P-trap, no, I think, no, before natin change, delete muna natin to, yung pipe na to, and then dito, click natin yung P-trap. So if ever, no, itong P-trap na to, edit natin yung family, no. And then to this P-trap, no, we can just go ahead and ito yung out natin, di ba? So we can click this out, and then system classification is on sanitary. Yan. Okay? So flow direction is on bidirectional, and then allow slope adjustment. And then ito rin, no, palitan natin to into sanitary. Yan. Okay? And after that, we can load it back onto our project S2 2.3, no? Ayan. And then we can go ahead and overwrite existing version. And then we can go ahead and connect this to our P-trap. Okay? So if ever na ganyan, no, we can go ahead and go back to our second floor. And then ito, hide muna natin to, no? Temporary hide natin. And then right click, draw pipe, no, dito. And then connect natin sila dyan. If ever na ganito, no, we can just go ahead and I think make tayo ng section, no? Yan. Then yung section natin is align lang natin siya dito. And then dito, no, i-align natin yung section natin sa center ng ating pipe. Yan. Then double click natin yung ating section. Of course, it was on 3D view, no, sa second floor. And then make sure that we are let's say click natin to, and then connect natin sila dito. So if ever na ganyan, we can do is align right here to here, and then maybe, no, we can just go ahead and right click, draw pipe, and then slope down to 2%. Yan. And then change natin to into P-trap. Again, we are getting some error, no. So, since we are getting some error, no, na nakikita natin na MEP changing, so, edit family type natin, no. So, dito, ang gagawin natin is dapat ito, naka system classification on sanitary, okay, allow slope adjustment. However, dito sa isang pipe fittings natin, we gonna make sure that our system classification is on fitting. Dito naman sa portion side na to. And then we can load it back into our project S2 2.3, no? Load, and then overwrite existing version, and then right click natin dito, draw pipe, and then connect natin sila. So should be magko-connect na yan, no? If ever na hindi pa mag-connect, no? Ang gagawin nyo is delete nyo tong pipe na nandito. Okay? And after that, no, right click natin, draw pipe, and then slope down tayo ng 2%, and then connect natin siya dito. Okay, if ever na ganun. Okay? So, meron pa isang way, no, para ma-connect natin yan dito. So, let's say ganito, di ba? Ayan. Gawan muna natin siya ng section. Okay? So, section natin siya dyan, and then adjust natin yung section natin. No, dapat ito lang yung pipe na to yung cover. And then align natin sila, no? Ayan. So, ito, no, adjust natin ulit, and then double click natin yung section, makita natin sila dito. Dapat itong pipe na to is click natin to. Yan. Itong pipe na to. Dapat AL natin. Yan. Align sila dito sa center neto. Okay? And then after that, no, we can just go ahead and right click. Okay? Draw pipe and then connect natin sila dito. If ever na hindi pa mag-connect, no, we can just go and delete this pipe. Okay? Right click, draw pipe and then connect natin siya dito. Okay? So as we can see, no, perfect 2% yung slope down natin, and right here, no, okay pa yung mga slope natin. And then we can see, no, na okay sila dito. Okay? So we can just go ahead and adjust, no. Yan. If ever na hindi natin ma-adjust, we can just go ahead and leave this kasi I think okay naman sa gypsum natin, wag lang tamaan ng metal firing. Okay? So, since okay na to dito, ang next naman is gagawan naman natin ng I think vent is okay na dito. Okay na rin dito. We can just go ahead and make some vent para dito, no? So, align natin to dito, yung section natin na to. Ayan. Align, and then click natin dito, click natin dito. Align natin, and then double check natin to. So, dito, no, ang ano nito is pipe connector nito. Ito 101 nga to eh. So, I think okay lang naman yan, no? So, click natin dito and then make tayo ng PI, no? PI, and then click natin yung vent, apply. And then dito sa ating ano is make sure na PVC vent yung select natin. Gonna make sure that we are running straight, no, dito, and then dito is on 50 mm. Yan. And then right here on our second floor, no, we could just go ahead and right click, draw pipe, and then draw tayo dito. Yan. If ever na hindi mangyari ganyan, so what we can do is to go back onto our section, no, which is section 2. Yan. Right click, draw pipe natin dito, and then slope off tayo. Yan. And then we're gonna go back to our second floor. Ito, i-rotate na lang natin to. Dadrag natin dito, and then papunta dito. Okay? So what we can do is to right click, draw pipe again. And then I think, no, i-align natin yung section na to dito. Ito. Para makita natin yung pataas. And then right click natin, and then makita natin on our 3D view. Ito yung ating ano. Natin to find. Right click, draw pipe. And then pakyat sa punta sa ating ceiling, and then dito, na yan. And go back to our second floor. And then dito, no, dito natin siya i-connect. So right click natin dito, draw pipe, and then connect natin siya dito. Okay? So if ever, no, we can just delete the existing fittings, no, and then we can go ahead and view that onto our 3D view. Yan. So, click natin itong fittings and then make tayo ng selection box para ma-view natin siya on 3D view. And then we can see, no, hindi masyadong align yung ating ano, kaya nagkaroon siya ng weird fittings na ganyan. So, what we can do is to align it first, no. So, make sure na yung section natin na to, i-align natin dito. Align natin siya dito. Punta dito. Ay, sorry. Hindi yung pipe. Yan. Pipe, and then we'll make sure that we are selecting the section line, no, and then dito, no, pag-alignin natin silang dalawa. AL, align natin gitna to gitna. Ayan, and then we can connect now. Ayan, so okay na yung ating fittings, no. So ayan, okay na yung ating vent, no. So either way, no, we can adjust this vent, no, papunta dito para hindi siya nakaano sa ating piping, no. So either way, we can also I think, no? Wala naman nang nakakonect dito. Or nawala yung kanina kasi temporary hide natin eh. So, reset natin yan. Makikita na natin sila. We can view our works, no, onto our 3D view. Adjust natin yung mga section box natin. No? And then, I think, adjust natin siya dito. And that will be our sanitary and vent system. Okay? So, ang next step naman is yung para sa ating dito naman, no? So, papalitan naman natin siya, lalagyan naman natin to ng system natin dito. Okay? So, madali na lang din to. Ili-layout natin siya, no? Papunta dito, mula dito papunta dito, and then ko-connect natin yung mga ano natin dito. Okay, so to do that, delete na natin yung mga excess section, no, na hindi na natin kailangan, and then close our views, no. Yan. And after that, no, we can go ahead and make a section para dito, no. So click natin dito, and then align natin diyan, no, and then dito. Yan. So I think, no, baliktarin natin yung section natin by flipping our section. Yan, itong flip section arrow na to. And then, we can just go ahead and align. Oh. Yan. Align natin siya dito. Yan. So, we're gonna make sure, no, delete muna natin yung reference lane. And then, align natin siya sa center. And then, dito. Yan. Double-click natin yung ating section. And as we can see, no, saan tayo? Second floor. Yan. Click natin yung find. This will be our second floor. And then, sa second floor, no, make sure natin na cover yung ating mga gagawin nating fittings, yung mga pipe connectors natin. Okay, so para makita natin if we are on exact so dito right click natin to or click natin yung pipe and then create similar and then slope up tayo ng 2% and then another 100 mm. So after dito click natin dito and then slope up tayo dito hanggang dito. Okay, so dito sa end natin, right click, draw pipe, and then we're gonna make sure that we are running on 135 degree. And then delete natin to. Dito, cap on end. Ayan. So this will be our clean out for this specific horizontal branch. Okay, so next step naman is eto, i-connect na natin dito. So I think it will be simple, no? So gamitin natin yung connect into na tinatawag nating para sa ating mga pipe connectors, no? So since meron tayong mga connectors dito, we can click connect into, no, and then select natin yung ating sanitary round, no, 80 mm. Okay, and then click natin siya dito. So you can see, no, bigla siya nag-connect. But this way, no, we wanted to make sure that we are running on 45 degree papunta dito, no. So I think this is a bit bad connection para sa akin. So, ang gagawin natin is run tayo dito ng 45 degree. Okay? So, dito, click natin to and then delete natin to. Sorry. Control Z na lang po muna natin lahat pala. And then, dito, no, click natin yung pipe na to, CS. Create similar, inherit size, inherit elevation. Sorry, click natin yung inherit size, no? Unclick natin. And then, I think this one is 80 mm. So, we're gonna make sure that we are about on 80 mm. And then, click natin dito, no? Sa ating pipe. And then, draft tayo ng rough around 45 degree. Okay? And after nyan, no? We can, sorry. Yeah. Okay. I think we can delete this fitting first, no? Okay. Ulitin lang natin. So, CS, 45 degree, inherit elevation, 2%, 80 mm. Okay. And then dito, run tayo ng about 45 degree. Dito na lang banda. Yan. Para may ano natin, no? So, eto, papalitan natin to ng natawag nating WYE, 45 degree reducing. Then dito type natin dito is 80 mm. Okay? And then right click natin dito, draw pipe, slope up 2%, and then align natin siya dito. Then click natin itong pipe na to, and then hover tayo dito sa fittings na to, and then hit tab, click, and then adjust natin sila, no? Until may adjust natin ng nakaganito. So I think this one is good, and then adjust na lang natin itong fittings natin. Okay? And then cancel natin hanggang sa ma-end natin yung fittings, no, maximum. And then dito, no, align natin sila, no, dito sa center na to sa ating pipe. Okay? So if align na sila, no, we can just go ahead and drag, no. If ever na hindi pa madrag, what we can do is to delete that pipe, and then click natin yung center, and then click natin yung center na to. Sorry. Yan. Right click natin, draw pipe tayo konti, and then click natin siya dito. Okay? So, kita nyo, since Revit is not allowing us to draw pipe, no? Sorry. Yan. And then, click dito sa center neto. But, no, if we hover on side, no, this means that we are connecting to this side. Okay? So, kinoconnect pa rin natin siya dito sa mismong body neto. So, magko-connect pa rin siya doon sa connector natin dito. Okay? So, hindi na natin kailangan i-trace pa yung gitna neto, no? Rather than tracing it, we can do is to click, no, dito sa mga side na to, kahit nga dito, tingnan nyo. Diba? Magko-connect pa rin siya doon sa sanitary connector neto, which is 80mm, 80mm, and then 80mm. Okay? So, ganun lang po yun, no? And then, para naman dito, no, papunta tayo dito. Okay? So, iraran natin siya dito. So, click natin tong pipe na to. Click natin CS. And then, dito naman, no, 45 degree tayo dito. And then, dito, after natin makreate yung 45 degree, no, delete natin yung pipe fittings na to. And then, click natin to. Baguhin naman natin siya, WYE, 45 degrees, reducing. And then, dito naman, no, click tayo dito, and then dito, and then dito. We're gonna make sure that our slope is still on 2%. Okay, and then align natin sila dito. I think this one is on about, baguhin natin yung ating water closet, ay itong ano, gawin natin, I think 50mm is good para dito. So, baguhin natin to ng sanitary connector is 50mm. Okay, apply, and then click OK. And then, eto, baguhin natin to. Click natin yung pipe na to. And then, click natin siya dito. Hover tayo dito. And then, hit tab. Click. And baguhin natin siya into 50mm. Okay? Yan. And then, eto, no, kukonect natin siya by dragging in again dito. Para makonect natin yung ating ano dyan. Okay? So, eto naman, no. Either way, no, we can choose to, I think, ano ba to? Yan na natin siya. Connect na natin siya dito, no? Okay, no? So, to do that, gagawin na lang natin is connect into natin siya. So, click natin tong pipe na to. Connect into. So, click natin yung sanitary round 50mm. And then, click natin tong pipe na to. If ever na hindi siya mag-connect ng ganyan, what we can do is to right-click, no? Draw pipe. And then, click natin siya up to dito sa gitna ng pipe natin. The resulting angle segments is too great or too small. So what we can do is to go ahead and make a section, no, first, no, if ever na Revit cannot identify the right fittings for that one, so we can align, no, muna tong section natin dito sa center niyan, and then we're gonna double click, no, and then if ever, no, if ever, this will be our sanitary connector. So, I think this one is on 330 again. Okay? Yan. So, eto, no, since on 330 na siya, right-click natin, draw pipe, and then tagos siya dito, and then papunta dito. If ever, no, right-click natin, I think, ulitin natin. Draw pipe, slope up tayo, ay slope down tayo ng 2%. Right click dito and then click natin siya dito. I think, no. CS, CS natin. Right click, draw pipe, and then slope off, nandito. Ayan. And then, tignan natin on to fine version. No? So, try natin siyang i-align dito sa gitna nito. Ayan. And then, connect natin siya dito. Okay? So, na-connect na po natin yung pipe. No? We can view that onto our 3D view by clicking this specific fittings kahit alin dito and then make tayo ng selection box. So, ito yung selection box natin na ginawa. So, ito, I think, no, palitan na lang natin to ng WYE sanitary. Yeah. Which is 50 mm. So, which is good for our specific ano. Okay, so dito, click natin yung plus for our vent system and then sanitary natin dito. Okay. So, ito na yung ating ano. So, dito sa second floor, since na-connect na natin silang lahat, no, what we can do is to make some ventilation system naman, no, para sa ating ano. Okay, so ito, align natin yung section natin na to dito para dito, no. So, align natin. Click natin yung center dito and then click natin yung section and then double click natin, no. So we can make some ano dito. Okay? So tignan muna natin if yung fittings is sasapat, no, para dun sa ating ano. So make sure that we are on 50 mm PVC vent and then our system type is on vent system. Apply. Click natin dito, no. And then we are about on 50 mm po. Yan. Kung sumakto, no, yan, swerte natin. Yan, tsamba lang yan. But if ever na hindi sakto yung sa inyo, what you can do is to adjust. No? Lower muna to. I-lower nyo muna to and then click kayo dito. And then that's when you make some changes, no, para sa inyong ano. Yan. And then dito, drag natin siya dito, papunta dito. No? And then, I think itong ano natin na to is on, sorry, pataas to eh. Makapataas yung ating vent system eh. Yeah. So, diyan na sila magko-connect, no? So, what we can do is to right-click, draw pipe, and then paangat tayo dito. Okay? And then, I think, no, balik tayo sa ating second floor, no? I think okay na yan. So, dito naman, no, what we can do is to go back, no, etong section natin na to, align natin siya dito, sa gitna dito. Okay? And then after that, we can double click our section. And then, akit tayo dito banda. Click natin to CS, no? Of course, vent sa ating pipe types and then sa system type. And then, palitan natin na yung 250 mm yung ating. And then, drag tayo dito. Okay? I said 50 mm. So, I think 50 mm. Baguhin na natin. Ayan. And then, ito, connect na lang natin siya dito. If ever, no? If ever na ganito, kasi, hindi yan aligned eh. Okay? So, paano ko nasabi? Kasi dito, makikita natin dito that we have our partition. Ayan, makikita natin that we have our partition dito. So, what we can do is to right-click, draw pipe, and then dito, and then dito muna. Okay? And then, align natin sila gitna ng pipe dito. Okay? So, since align na sila, what we can do is to go back, no, onto our 3D view. Into our second floor. Dito pa rin tayo sa second floor. So, i-align natin yung ating section, no, dito sa ating pipe fittings na to. We can go right here. Then dito, no. And then right-click, draw pipe, and then connect natin siya wrap around right here. And then align natin siya dito sa gitna nito. Ayan. And then connect natin sila. Ayan. So, ito, connect na rin natin siya dito, no. And then, the next step is click natin tong fittings na to, I think, no? Yan. And then, ito naman yung gagawin natin ng vent, no? So, dali lang yan. So, gawin natin is, I think, no? Para sa vent niyan, dito na lang din, no? So, what we can do is to actually, click right here, no? I think dito, papunta dito. Yep, but check muna natin yung ating clearance, no? So, if ever, okay yung ating typing. So, dito, punta doon. Okay, so dito na lang. Okay, so click natin to, think, no? Section tayo dito. Align natin dito. Align natin yung section natin dito sa center neto. Double click. Right click CS. And then, click tayo dito. Okay. Sorry. Our system and then our ano is on vent. Okay. And then apply. Click tayo dito. Click tayo dito. And then, click tayo dito. Okay. So, todo natin yung baba. If ever, no. Go ahead and go ahead and adjust, no, papunta dito, and then go back to our 3D view, sorry, our second floor pala, and then click natin yung vent pipe natin, and then drag natin siya dito, pumunta dito, and then we can go ahead and click some of things right here, no, if ever, no, hindi siya mag-connect, no, kasi tatama yan so what we can do is to right click dito, connect natin siya dito, and then dito. Align natin, no, then dito. So, dito natin siya i-connect. Yan. So, ito, adjust na lang natin yung fittings, no, hanggang sa masagad sila. Yan. So, we can view that on our 3D view, no. So, tingnan natin yung ginawa natin. And then, you can view it right, just like this one. Okay? Yan na yung ating vent, no. So, okay na tayo sa second floor, no? The next step naman is yung para sa ating third floor. Okay? So, sa third floor, no? Gagawin natin yon on our 2.4, no? So, ito, halos ano rin naman yan, no? Ito lang nagkaiba. Iba na yung position, no? And then, we have a kitchen right here. No? So, ang gagawin natin is magkakaroon din tayo ng additional na ano dito para sa ating kitchen, no? Ayan. Ang gagawin natin dito is dito, pupunta dito. And then yung vent system natin, of course, pupunta dito. Okay. Para dito sa dalawang ano na to. And then, since meron tayong laundry area dito, we need some natawag nating ano pa dito, no? Yung tinatawag nating drain, no? Maglalagay pa tayo additional drain dito. Okay? So, see you guys on the next topic, which is 2.4, no? Para sa ating third floor sanitary system.